Hi guys, if your problem like related to computer sound or laptop sound, it's basically common problem in Windows 10 PC. We have to solve it from two methods. The first method, press Win key and search sound setting. Click sound setting and run troubleshoot. It's basically take 2 or 3 seconds. Then it's fix your sound in PC. In PC sound problem are fixed. If your problem are not fixed, then go for second method. Press Win key and search device manager. Then find sound, video and game control. Go for first option. In your case, your device status is the device isn't working properly. Then go for driver option and update your driver. Here is option, you have to download this update. After downloading this, your problem is fixed. Thanks for watching.